Gotta go feed the goats. And then I have a little project. Somebody, I'm not gonna say who, it was me, in a hurry yesterday before the storm started. Ran out here to feed the goats and left the lights on in the truck. It happens. If you say it hasn't happened to you, you may not be telling the truth. All right, let's get these goats fed. All right, time to feed these goats. Now. All right, now that the goats fed, let's go fix the battery on the truck. It's been stormed here yesterday. We had a pretty bad hail. Actually, everywhere around us, but here we didn't have really any hail to speak of. We had a lot of rain. And a lot more rain in the forecast this week. I'm guessing 9/16. Nope, half inch. I ought to drop that. I would have been upset with myself. Half inch socket. Make quick work of this. Like I said, I've got a secret weapon when it comes to batteries. It's really something that if you live out in the country, you have a homestead. We call these, you know, we say we're homesteaders, but it's just the way that, you know, our grandparents lived, just living simply. But if you're going to be out here in a secluded area like this, you gotta, you're gonna have to be pretty self-sufficient. Boy, that is not good. There we go. Got that off. So this is a secret weapon right here, guys. This is my Shoemaker Farm and Ranch 200 amp battery charger. This is an analog battery charger. And you just simply put it on your setting, and you has a timer. All of the new chargers, they're trash now because they have computerized systems that's supposed to detect that there's a battery there. Well, the problem is if you got a really dead battery, it won't even detect that there's a battery there to charge it. So this can save you a lot of money. These are not cheap. They cost about $200, $250, depending on the model that you get. This one is from Tractor Supply. But highly recommend getting this. It's going to save my rear end today on this battery. So, all right, we're just going to take our battery. We're going to plug this in. We're going to pick 12 volt 40 amp for this job here, and we're going to simply always hook the negative post up first, positive post, make sure we have a good connection. Mine's set on 12 volts 40 amps, and I'm going to set this for 90 minutes. We really want to be careful when you're dealing with a manual battery charger because the batteries can overheat, so don't leave it unattended. But since we had the tractor battery hooked up to it yesterday, we're going to step out here and hook the old tractor battery up. Let's pop this, pop the hood on the old girl, pop the battery back in, and at least the tractor will be back in business. Just have to wait on the truck. See if we can get a cold start on the old girl. Sounds so great. there's just something about watching that flapper just work right there. This old girl's never let me down. I just love to hear that old girl run. That battery's in good shape. And I want to be in here in the woodshed for a little bit, keep an eye on this battery. And I'm going to stop the video right there, guys. Listen, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. It means so much to us. What's your opinion on manual battery chargers? How important do you think they are? I mean, I think they're great, especially if you live in a remote area where you really have to depend on yourself. But what do you guys think? I'll see y'all later. Have a good one.